Okay, on this one we are expanding this logarithm, and there is quite a bit that we need to do to it. First thing we need to look at is, okay, this is a log base 10, and the rules for this are the exact same as the rules for natural logarithms or log base 4, log base 7, doesn't really matter. So let's go through this. First I have jk raised to the 4th power. Because these are inside the parentheses, we have to identify that this 4th applies to everything inside of here, not just the k, but also the j as well. So if you wanted to, you could expand this just a little bit by distributing this 4 to both of these inside here. It should look like this. Okay, this is j to the 4th times k to the 4th. Okay, now that we have that, we need to look at our first rule that will apply here. And this is our laws of logarithms. It basically states that if we have two that are multiplied together, we can rewrite them as two separate logarithms. If it's multiplication, that means we will place an addition sign in between them. Notice how both of these have the same base. Okay, and we got that base from our original one here. So let's kind of look at an example. Log base 2 of 3 times p. So when we rewrite this one, it will be log base 2, 3 plus log base 2, p. So our log base 2 came from our original one. And it's 3 plus is because it's multiplication. So up here, this base on this one is 10. This is log base 10. So when I expand this one, I'm going to go log base 10, j to the 4th, plus log base 10, k to the 4th. Okay? So using our same rules here, nothing's changed so far. We haven't dealt with any of these exponents. We're going to do that next. But this addition sign came because these two are being multiplied together. Now let's look at our exponents. If an exponent is there, the way that we can expand it is by moving this exponent, this b here, way out in front. You'll notice that we did that here. Let's kind of look at a basic example here. This is a log base 6 of a to the 8th. Okay, so we can take this 8 here and we can move it way out in front here. And if we do that, it will look like this, 8 times log base 6 of a. And that's all we did is we just took this and we moved it out front. Well, now that we already kind of have this expanded a little bit further, we can move this out in front now. So I take this, this 4 here and I move that out in front. I also have an exponent here which is also a 4, so I move that out in front. And then I just rewrite them. So it should be 4 log base 10 of j plus 4 log base 10 of k. And this is in expanded form. This is the furthest that we can expand this one at this time. Now just to illustrate, here's what it looks like if it's a natural log. Natural log, and I just use the same variables here. Just to illustrate that it's the same rules. So the first thing is we're going to distribute this 4 to everything inside. So that's j to the 4th, k to the 4th. Now because this is multiplication, we're going to switch this using this rule right here. I'm going to rewrite this same base, natural log, j to the 4th plus natural log of k to the 4th. Then I just move the 4's out in front and I rewrite them. This is 4 natural log of j plus 4 natural log of k. That k kind of got cut off just a little bit, but that's okay. You still get the picture, I think.